doing? This is Ken Latham, the design guy, signing in. Okay, I wanted to run by a couple things with you. One of them that we had talked about, Rudy and I had talked about, is back here at this corner. As opposed to having a rail here, if we came in and put a wall into that area and just have that siding continue down, that would help to protect you as you're walking up from the carport back into the house. But it would also knock back on light. So that would be a decision that you can make on that. Let's turn this thing on around the other way. I know what you were talking about with, or I believe I know what you were talking about with the gable trim. And essentially, as I bring this up, to me, what you're talking about is you want to have not that design, but something as such as that, not being a timber frame, actual timber frame like that porch is. So if you could confirm that back with me, it'd be appreciated. So if we look at this here, I'm going to go in and cut a section. Okay, so as I cut this section, what I'm seeing happening here, and this is like I said, a cut through, but essentially we're going to have the truss that would be painted from what you were saying. So we'd have the truss that's painted, then you have an OSB roof, and then I guess that would be painted as well. Alright, what I'm looking at with what you sent me with these pictures, and this would not be the same thing as what I'm anticipating happening. This has actually got a tongue and groove roof onto it from the inside, or excuse me, from the outside, and the roofing materials are put over top of that. Typically that's a 2x6 tongue and groove, so I don't see that happening in this project. I don't know if it's something that you want to put in between or just leave the OSB board exposed. But if you do it at that portion, then you got to match up to that height all the way back through where we've got the vaulted ceiling back through that family room. Going on to other things you were talking about, where you were looking at doing a double door with windows. I don't see where we got the space to get both of those into that 18 feet. So that would be something else that we would need to talk about as well. Okay, so let's get back into this entire house and take a look at this. So as we're spinning this around, I'll put the fireplace back in from the drawings, because you want to keep that. I think that's a good idea. It will help save some money. Just swinging this around to the rear means you haven't actually seen the video of what we've talked about. And then as we swing back over the top, you'll get an idea of what we were doing onto that roof. I think we were pretty clear on that. You're able to see that the other day. The porch, I'll go through and do those updates that you were talking about. So very good. Give me a call back and let me know on those answers that I'd ask. So this is Ken Latham, Design Guy, signing off. You have a wonderful day. Bye now.